Planting fruit trees is totally worth your while. Yes, they are a bigger investment of time and money, but they pay off in a big way. Fruit trees are part of a self sufficient garden that can supply fresh fruits and abundant opportunities for canning and preserving. Fruit trees are also beautiful in the landscape. Dwarf and semi dwarf varieties fit in well into an urban garden and can even be placed in the front yard. Apples are a great specimen tree and will provide lots of fruit. A dwarf apple can produce up to 150 pounds, and a semi dwarf up to 400 pounds when it's mature. That's a lot of apples. Fruit trees come in a variety of sizes from 6 feet to 30. This chart is available in our blog, which I will link below. Pick a sunny spot with well draining soil. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing design examples. Now we are ready to get planting. Besides happy kids, you will need a wheelbarrow and shovel so you can mix amendments into the soil. Put that soil in a wheelbarrow so you can mix it well. I've come up with a fabulous formula for planting my fruit trees. You will need to mix the following ingredients together in your wheelbarrow. This will produce a soil that is light, holds moisture, and provides nutrients. That gets your fruit tree off to a great start. Mix soil from the hole, a gallon tub of peat moss, a gallon tub of well aged compost, 2 cups bone meal, 2 cups fish meal for spring planting only. We don't want extra nitrogen in the fall plantings. Well, this method takes more time than just digging a hole and sticking in a tree. It'll pay off huge dividends in the long run. Water the tree well its first year. It'll need about an inch of rain or 2 gallons of water each week for a young tree. A good mulch around the base of the tree will help keep moisture in. Straw and wood chips both make a good organic covering. When using organic mulches, keep the mulch away from the tree trunk about 6 inches. She's not doing this very well in the video. This helps to prevent disease and to keep rodents from taking up residence. I have also used the circular mulch made from recycled tires. The material is woven so it stops the grass from growing but allows for water to seep through. They contain a slit and are easy to slide right around the tree. You don't have to plant your orchard all at once. Make a master plan and plant a couple of trees every year. That way, you are working towards a self sufficient garden without it being overwhelming. Please boop that like button and subscribe to our channel for more organic gardening tips. And I hope you have a fabulous day.